Hello guys, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have a full box of toys here. See, all are nice and beautiful, and now I will introduce all of these toy vehicles with you. At first is a Shiba cycle.
Brother? Corey, what's good?
Taylor, what's up, bro?
I'm happy to see you out here, bro.
That's Thursky.
He is the biggest fan.
Oh, you was talking trash, right?
See this one? This one is a very big size Shiba cycle. Wow, so I collect this one at my side. And next one is a flying horse. See, this one is a small flying horse, so I collect this one at my side. And next one is a funny tom drum. Wow, this one is very nice paste color funny tom drum, so I collect this one at my side. And next one is a big bird.
Marshes in tropical East Africa, from South Sudan to Zambia. Birdwatchers rank this species among the top 5 most attractive birds in Africa. With people, they're submissive and exhibit no threatening traits. Within 2 meters, researchers were able to get a close-up view of a bird in its nest. The shoebill is also famous among gamers, as it serves as the inspiration for the loft-winged birds in The Legend of Zelda: Skyward Sword. Zoos frequently house shoebills, although breeding is seldom documented. The first zoo in the
See, this one is very big bird, so I collect this one at my side. And next one is the ice cream trolley. Wow, there is many color combination ice cream trolley, so I collect this one at my side. And this one is a army helicopter. Color combination army helicopter, so I collect this one at my side. And next one is a V2 racing car.
Aston Martin used its teeth skin to avoid a major embarrassment. The Vantage just edged the Italian SUV by a solitary 1/10 of a second. Next up, it's the Audi TT RS. Solid launch control and a rapid shifting dual clutch transmission proved to be...
Wow, this one is green color V2 racing car, so I collect this one at my side. And next one is a 3D DS Trajan car, blue color combination car, so I collect this one at my side. And next one is a, see, this one is the elephant car. Wow, so I collect this one at my side. And there is the next one is high speed R17 bike. See, this one is red and black color combination, so I collect this one at my side. And next one is a, see, this one is Lexus high branded car. Wow. So I collect this one at my bucket, and now I will collect all of my vehicles in this bucket. This one is a 3DDS Trajan car. This one is a ice cream trolley. This one is tom drum. This one is elephant car. This one is army helicopter. This one is a big bird. This one is a flying horse. This one is R17. This one is a V2 racing car. And there is the last one is a Shiba cycle. So friends, all of my vehicles are introduced with you, and now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.